All right, boys. So we're working on another PS5 today. How's everybody's day going? So I went to go watch Spider-Man with my son yesterday. It was all right. The movie was too long, in my opinion. So yeah, I just sold this PS5 for $450. I didn't realize they went up in price. So I'm gonna start selling for 520. So I tried doing an HDMI repair with the YCS R1 Ultra, and I don't know what's wrong. I don't know if I got a defect, but I can't replace them. The PCB just doesn't get hot enough. I don't know. I've had this quick 861 PW since 2018. I got it from Lewis Rossman, and it's just so good for HDMI replacements. I have no problems doing it ever. All right. So we're doing HDMI, then we're gonna do the liquid metal. We don't want the console to come back, obviously. We'll reassemble it and we're good to go. Beautiful. In the back here, we don't want to leave any flux here. All right. That was I gotta do the liquid metal on this guy. Quick and easy HDMI repair. Catch you guys on the next one. Have a nice day, everybody.